Welcome to Curve Nova 2, the home of confidence, empowerment, and the world's most inspiring curvy models. Today, we shine a light on the incredible journey of Shirley Marcela, a woman whose influence reaches far beyond the fashion industry. Her rise is a powerful reminder that self-love, determination, and authenticity can reshape beauty standards for generations. Shirley grew up in a world where traditional beauty ideals often overshadowed individuality. But even as a young girl, she embraced her uniqueness with pride. Her confidence came not from fitting in, but from understanding that beauty is limitless. That mindset would later become the foundation of her career and the spark that inspired thousands. Stepping into the modeling world as a curvy woman wasn't easy, yet Shirley approached every challenge with boldness. Her early shoots revealed a striking presence that quickly caught the attention of top photographers and brands. What started as a single opportunity evolved into magazine covers, runway appearances, and major campaigns that celebrated diverse bodies long ignored by mainstream fashion. Over the years, Shirley has become much more than a model. She's a voice for positivity and representation. Her social media platforms have grown into powerful spaces of encouragement, where she promotes mental wellness, self-acceptance, and inclusivity. Every post, interview, and public appearance reinforces her belief that everyone deserves to feel seen, valued, and celebrated. Beyond her professional success, Shirley leads a fulfilling personal life. She loves exploring new destinations, sharing pieces of her travels with her followers, and expressing her creativity through art and fitness. Her ability to balance ambition with authenticity makes her deeply relatable and admired by fans around the world. As her influence continues to expand, Shirley Marcela shows no signs of slowing down. New partnerships, projects, and advocacy efforts are already shaping her next chapter, one filled with purpose and unstoppable energy. Her story proves that when you embrace who you are, you don't just rise, you inspire others to rise with you. Thank you for watching Curve Nova 2. If you enjoyed learning about Shirley Marcela, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another empowering story. This video is created for educational and informational purposes only.